guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, my name is Nidhi and today I'll be showing you how I remove my makeup. As you can see, I have really heavy makeup on my face, so we'll see how to get rid of this. So first thing, I am removing my lashes. Feels so much lighter. When you have solid waterproof makeup on your face, I prefer using an oil-based cleanser. So today I'm using this micellar water from Garnier. Just putting some on my cotton pad. Putting it on my eyes and pressing it. And then we wipe it. Look at this. Be gentle when you're cleaning the makeup around your eyes because our under eye skin and in fact the skin around our eyes is very thin and sensitive, so you should be very gentle when you're cleaning your makeup. Please don't use wipes which have alcohol or some of these cleaning wipes have makeup removal wipes have alcohol, so please avoid that. It's not good. And also don't use dry tissues to remove your makeup because it will just damage your skin. So use a good cotton pad or cotton balls, whatever. See how easily this product is removing my makeup. I think we need some more product and more cotton. Definitely this one looks very dirty, so let's throw this. Going on to the second one. For removing mascara, best thing is to just keep your lashes between this cotton pad and let it be there for like 3-4 seconds and then gently rub it. See? Or else another option is you can just, if you have baby oil, just take baby oil and just rub it against your lashes, and then you can take a cotton pad and wipe it. Nowadays when I have this really heavy makeup on my face, I always like to do a second step of cleaning or removing or wiping the face, whatever you want to call it. So I am using this wipes from this brand called Kleen wipe. I absolutely love them. They have 3 different types of wipes. They have charcoal wipe, they have cleaning wipes, micellar water wipes, and then the one that I'm using today is this exfoliating wipe. So let me show you how it looks. So this particular wipe, because this is an exfoliating wipe, so this has 2 sides. There's this one smooth side and then the other one is little textured because this is meant for exfoliating the face. Well, I'm not touching it and dirtying it right now. What I'm doing is I will just take this smooth side and clean my face to make sure there's absolutely no makeup that's left on my skin. Well, there was. Look at this. That is why when I put heavy makeup, I like to do this second round of wiping my face. Just watch my movement, guys. I'm not harsh at all with my skin. I'm doing it very gently. Taking this other side, which was the exfoliating side, and just exfoliating my face. When I got this parcel from Kleen wipe, I was quite excited to see how these exfoliating wipes look because I had never used anything like this before. Now the next step is to wash your face. So I'm using this daily cleanser from Kiehl. Just wet my face and come back in like 2 seconds. I'm using this brush from Kiko. You can obviously use your hands, but since I'm making the video, I didn't want to dirty my hands. Alright, let me wash my face and come back. Alright, so done cleaning the face. Now I'll apply some rose water. So I have rose water in this spray bottle which is spraying all over my face. It's so refreshing. Okay, next I'm taking this tea tree oil from Body Shop. This product is great for all skin types, however, but it says that it's meant for blemished skin. You know, tea has antioxidants, so any product with green tea in it or any other form of tea or caffeine is absolutely great for your skin. Whenever you apply an oil, just wait for a few minutes for your skin to absorb it completely. Well, this particular oil is very light textured, if I can say. It doesn't exactly feel like an oil. There's no it doesn't feel sticky. In fact, my skin feels dry after this because I have a dry skin, so I do apply a moisturizer after this. So this was just the first step of moisturizer. Now I'll apply this Innisfree serum. I have this in a cute little bottle, so just applying it all over my face. I'm just pressing it in my skin properly. Sometimes during winters I feel dry after applying all this also, so then I end up applying Cetaphil moisturizer, which is really hydrating. Now one last thing that's left is this under eye cream. In my CTM video, I also mentioned that I use almond oil under my eyes. So I keep switching between the two. So this cream that I'm applying right now is from Innisfree. It's called Innisfree Perfect 9 Repair Eye Cream. Guys, don't forget your lips because even they need to be hydrated. So guys, my face is clean, it's moisturized, and I'm ready to go to bed. So guys, you all have a great day or sleep well wherever you are, in whatever part of the world you are in. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you guys.